Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm getting ready to go into my classroom, and I decided that I am going to start featuring some of the jewelry that I wear. I talked to one of my classmates from high school last night, and she knows that I get dressed every day for work. And her question was, so you put on your shoes and your jewelry too? Answer, yes, I do. I get fully dressed for work. It makes me, I can't say it motivates me, but this is what I do to prepare to do what I do every day. And I love doing what I do every day. Before I go any further, let me thank my subscribers for all that you have done to support me. I'm still asking you to like, share, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and comment. I am going to post this short video today, and I want you to tell me what you think about this series that I will be starting. I am not one that's big on jewelry, although you see all of my necklaces back here. I am going to try to wear them, and there's more. I'm trying to make sure that I wear all of my jewelry and more. And some of the jewelry that I'll be wearing will be listed in my Poshmark closet. My Poshmark closet is Jean G 59. If you're interested in jewelry, these are mine. I will continue to wear them. They are not matched, but I took a pair of earrings that goes with this necklace, and I paired it with this one. This is just a short video to tell you what I will be doing in the future. This video is just to inform you that I will be featuring some of my jewelry, my personal jewelry, as well as jewelry that I will be selling in my Poshmark closet. Did you see how quickly I styled my hair? Man, these Sisterlocks, they never fail me. They never fail. Thank you for watching. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my subscribers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. Thank you again for watching.